Ciao my friends, welcome back to my channel, and today I have something very special to share with you all that came from a very special, I don't want to say friend, she's not a friend, she's my sister, a very special sister, which I only have one sister, so she is very special. So I received a parcel yesterday from my sister, which was a big surprise and a beautiful surprise, because it just so happened I was texting her on Facebook and I was asking her a few questions, and then she asked me, did you receive a parcel today? I said, yes. I made a video about my new bag that I got from Walmart. And then she said, is that all you got? And then I'm thinking, no, I ordered 2 other bags besides this one, but they didn't arrive yet. No, she said, did you not receive a parcel? And I said, yeah, the Walmart bag. No, she said, is this not your door? And she shared a photo, and I said, yeah, that's my door. She said, well, I think you have a parcel out there. So I put her on Facebook, FaceTiming her, and I went out and I got the parcel. She had sent me a surprise, my friends. It really was a surprise. I didn't expect it at all. So it arrived in this little bag, and she watched one of my videos that I had made about the Battle of Body Butters. And my favorite body butter in that video, you can find it in my previous videos, not very far away, but my favorite one was the Christmas Bean Noel or something from Bath and Body Works, Vanilla Bean Noel, I think it was. And I loved that scent. It was so soft and so vanilla-y and yummy. And I had used the whole jar of it. So she said, I saw your video with this being your favorite and that's your favorite scent, and she sent me this. It's by Cake, and it has a very sweet vanilla scent to it, like a vanilla icing. Or ciao my friends, I'm sorry, my phone cut off because it kept telling me I'm out of space. But as I was saying, this is what she sent me, and it has a vanilla cake, like icing vanilla smell to it. It is really very beautiful, and the body butter, or yeah, the body butter is super thick, like so thick it's hard to squeeze out, and it is very soft. So I used this last night, and then I came out and I said to my husband, do you like the smell? He said, oh, you smell like icing, vanilla cake icing. He knew right away. So you can see it's a little glowy, but it's so soft, so smooth. So I love it. So to my sister, I love you a lot, and I love this too. So thank you very much.